Is your Android camera showing a black screen? Here's how to fix it in just a few steps. Open settings on your phone. You can type your settings and click on the settings. Now scroll down until you find apps section. Go to the apps and now you have to find camera option. For that you have to scroll it down until you find camera. You can also use the search bar and type camera. Click on camera. Now click on force stop and click on OK. Next tap on storage and click on clear data and click on delete. Now open the camera app again and see if the problem is fixed. Now it's working perfectly fine. If it still doesn't work, try to restart your phone. Now then click on restart button and this should solve your problem. Once your phone restarts, open the camera app again and the problem should be solved.